is Khan. I'm from Ami Creperie. So today I'm going to make a dessert crepe, which is with Nutella and strawberries and banana. First of all, I'm just gonna pour out some batter, and the batter is made of flour, milk, um, yeah, and some eggs, some butter.
And
So
Khan,
that's
can
it.
you elaborate on how did you come up with this recipes or where it's originally from?
Well, I used to live in Paris, and um, I was fortunate enough to learn the language French, and then after I learned how to speak French, I learned to cook French food in French school in Paris. So I just flip the crepe, and it takes pretty fast. Yeah, pretty quickly, and there it is. Okay, it's done. And for yes, Nutella is here. We're just gonna put some Nutella inside. Yeah, so like for crepe dessert, this is pretty much the most popular one. You know, just spread it inside and add some strawberries. This strawberries is like fresh. We cut it like every day, every morning. Yeah. Um, and then I put some banana. This banana also, like the same thing with banana, we only like cut it when we need to use it. And then, yes. Okay. And then now, to decorate it a little bit, I just spray some ice, some whipped cream. And then, here we go. This is our Nutella crepe with fruit. Voila, thank you. And we located at 2092 Concourse Drive, Unit 41 in San Jose. Please come visit us. Thank you.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.